How many times have you told this to yourself before sleeping that tomorrow is going to be my most productive day ever? Tomorrow I won't get lazy, I won't procrastinate my time through the day, but you eventually end up doing the same thing. And you keep repeating these sentences to yourself all over again the next day, and it never works. If you're someone who's stuck in this cycle, you need to watch this video. Thank you so much for choosing this video. This is Kashmira and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how not to ruin your day by making tiny changes that will go a long way to help you. There is only a little difference between having a productive day or having a bad day. It is the power of small decisions that you make throughout the day that makes all the difference. Small decisions have a lot of unrealized potential, and that's why you need to monitor them. What we usually do is we make one bad decision, follow it up with another, follow it up with another until it completely ruins our day. For example, if you're studying on YouTube and you find a distracting video, you click on it thinking that it's just one video, right? But then 1 hour later, you find yourself binge watching YouTube videos, not studying at all, and wasting all your time. How does that make you feel? It makes you feel guilty, and you realize you've made a bad decision. But in that moment, you still have one more thing to decide, which is what are you going to do next? This is the time to make that tiny decision that is going to decide how the rest of your day goes. There are two options to choose from. Either you can reboot your mindset, forget about what happened, tell yourself it's okay, I can still have a productive day and get back to work, or continue blaming yourself, continue feeling guilty, get back to those YouTube videos and start pushing things on tomorrow. As long as I can remember, every time I've arrived at this crossroad, I've chosen the second option maximum number of times because it's easy and convenient to push things on tomorrow. But why don't we realize we've been comforting ourselves for a very long time by saying this? Tomorrow is going to take care of everything. Tomorrow is when change happens. Tomorrow is when great things are going to happen in my life. Tomorrow is the time I start learning whatever I wanted to learn for a long time. We all know this. It is a trap. It is in these weak and vulnerable moments that we need to keep making the right choice. We constantly need to keep making that right decision. If we keep doing the same thing over and over again, how are we ever going to get any work done? And where does it put us in the long term? We are reinforcing the wrong kind of ideas on our brain. Why can't we face it right now? Face things as they come. To change this or to get out of this cycle, first you need to make that right decision in that weak moment. Secondly, you need to have some mental liquidity. Mental liquidity is the ability to immediately shift from one state to another. Like if you decide to take a break for 30 minutes or just scroll through your phone, watch Netflix, at the end of those 30 minutes, you need to have that mental strength, that mental ability to shift back to the work that you were doing from that entertaining thing. It's not an easy shift, I agree. But if you don't want to end up procrastinating or don't want to end up waiting for the next day, you need to have that mental liquidity. At the end of the day, if in the stack of your decisions, there are greater number of good decisions than the bad ones, I think you can give yourself some credit and count it as a productive day. It's because we live in a practical world and we are bound to fail sometimes, and that's completely okay. We don't need to be perfect with our decisions. Remember one single thing. If you realize that you've made a bad or a wrong decision, you don't need to wait for the next day to correct it or make the right one. Who's stopping you from doing it right in the next moment? Once you've acknowledged it, why can't you make a right decision in that time? If you decided to eat healthy but you gave in to an early morning craving, it's still okay because you have the entire day left ahead of you. Why do you have to tell yourself you'll do it from tomorrow? If you wanted to work out early in the morning but couldn't get up, you still have the evening time, you have the night time. Why make excuses? If you wanted to start studying in the morning and you couldn't concentrate due to some reason, you still have the evening time, you still have the night time, just start. Give yourself a start and keep going. That's how you'll learn, that's how you'll explore, that's how you'll grow. Don't rely on tomorrow for a great start. Every single moment is a great start, and you can go back to the track you were on without waiting for tomorrow, right? If this video helped you in any kind of way, consider subscribing, like the video, and share it with someone who you think will benefit from this. Thank you.